Morning, Dream Biggers. How's it going? Some of you might remember Mr. Scott here. DJ Scott, Sir Scott a lot. Anyway, man, today I've been working on making some robots out of upcycled material. What's upcycled material? Upcycled material is material you use for a purpose that's different than what it's meant for. Usually you can find it in your recycling bin. Sure hope you all recycle. So something easy to do, right? Collect a bunch of recycled material, build yourself a robot. It's gonna require some planning, some imagination, and some good times. Here's a couple of examples that we got going right here. First one, right? We got some whiskers, right? This is a little cat robot. Little cat robot with some wheels, right? You can see we used juice boxes, tissue boxes, bottle caps, toilet paper rolls, right? We've kind of been collecting over time, so this might take a little bit, but here's kind of, some different things. We got egg crates, we got bottle holders, some rings. There's some pens and pencils in here that probably ended up by accident. Some shoestring, some bottle caps. This was a balloon holder, right? Pizza, right? Just different boxes and scraps, things that you just normally would throw away, right? Here's a work in progress too. So what I want to see from you, and the challenge is to make your best robot out of materials around your house. Use some glue, use tape. Maybe mom and dad can help with some heavier duty glue. All right? All right. Remember, dream big.